Like the earth, you keep me steady. You hold me strong. When the world is shaking, you're where I belong. Your love flows through me like rivers that run. You're my calm in the storm, my rising sun. Every breath, every touch, it's real. You're the heartbeat I can feel. You're a force of nature, wild and divine. The thunder that rolls through this heart of mine. The fire that burns, the wind that guides. You're the reason the universe aligns. Unbreakable, unstoppable, true. My force of nature is you. You're the water that quenches the spark in the flame. A whisper of wind calling out my name. When the mountains stand still, your silence speaks. In your shadow I find the strength I seek. You move the tides, you light the sky. You lift me up when I can't fly. You're a force of nature, wild and divine. The thunder that rolls through this heart of mine. The fire that burns, the wind that guides. You're the reason the universe aligns. Unbreakable, unstoppable, true. My force of nature is you. Like a lake reflecting heaven's view, I see the best and worst of me through you. In your peace I find my place, my paradise, my saving grace. You're a force of nature, fierce and free. You're the storm, the calm, the air I breathe. The fire that burns, the wind that guides. You're forever my reason, my life. Unbreakable, unstoppable, true. My force of nature, my heaven is you.